All right, so we're in our MobileMonkey dashboard and we're talking about a double opt-in. Why would you want to do that? Well, the main reason you'd want to do that is for GDPR compliance, because with a bot, if someone goes to your bot, hits the get started button, they're automatically opted in. But that is not a double opt-in. You want to ask them if they really want to receive this information. So the way you do that is you create a dialog. We're going to call this double opt-in. And you do a quick question widget. I'm going to say, hi, first name. Would you like to receive updates on our service? And then we're going to do a new attribute, and we're going to type service updates. We're going to hit save, and we're going to give them two options. We're going to use the multiple input type, and we're going to choose two options. We're going to say yes, and we're going to say no. Now, if they say no, you have the ability to send them to the unsubscribe button if you want. Otherwise, you can just leave another message. You know, thanks, I've got your information, or something like that. So now you need to go to Audience Insights and Audiences, and you want to create a new audience. And we're going to choose the service updates attribute, and we're going to say yes. And we're going to call this service updates. So there's no contacts in here right now. So if we go and test this, we'll go to our welcome dialog. We'll actually go to our double opt-in dialog, and we're going to hit test, and we're going to go to our test bot here. Hi Craig, would you like to receive updates on our service? If I say yes, I've now double opted in, because I opted in by engaging with the bot the first time, and now I've answered a question, so I've double opted in. So if I go back to MobileMonkey and go to Audience Insights and Audiences and Service Updates, you're going to see I'm now added to this audience. And if we go to Audiences and back to Contacts, and we edit my contact and go to Attributes, you're going to see that it says Service Updates, yes. So now, anytime I send an update or a chat blast, I'm only sending it to the people who have said, yes, I want this information, by double opting in. That protects you from any GDPR issues, and it makes sure that the people are getting the information that they requested. All right, so if you have any questions, you can post it to our group or send a message to support@mobilemonkey.com. Thanks.